Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to attach friends in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your device. Be patient and wait for it to load up. Tap on Friends from the bottom menu. Among the friends that are suggested, keep tapping on Add. After this, select Contacts. Now you can add more friends from Facebook. In the end, tap on Invite. Then select the invite through Messenger. Simply by tapping on the Send button, you can add friends to Monopoly. Open the Messenger app on your device. After this, open the chat where you had sent the invite. So here you can see the Monopoly Go link has been shared over there as well. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.